if you want to leave, just leave. Me not gonna tell her if you left. I'd never tell a woman to left her man. But I will tell her, say, if you're unhappy, just get the courage, and I'm here to support you in whatever you need. And this, if there's any relationship advice I can give you during that time, maybe get the truth.
What make you
A good guy.
a good guy? Okay,
very good
okay.
guy,
But it create trust issues too
Oh.
within you. 'Cause if a girl can't sit down and have a side man, you know, feel say your girl can have a side man too. Exactly.
But that's the point. All right, this is what I've learned
Okay.
from my experience. If a woman is truly happy with a man, you're not blood clot get in. You could have cute subtle, you could have money subtle, you could have want to give her the rose subtle. If she's happy with her guy that she's genuinely happy with, she not give you the crease. But promise she not give you the crease. So once she decides to give you the crease, is because she's truly unhappy and she feel like she don't want to be there no more, and that's where my penis coming.
Okay, that's where his penis coming.
Yes,
I heard
100%.
you.